We on the record in cause number 326308. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Brittany Living. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Miss Living?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. Miss Living, your case is on the court's announcement docket. You here with your attorney, Mr. Mark Faggett. Mr. Faggett, you have an announcement for the court?
Yes, Your Honor, we were gonna ask for one more reset on the announcement docket. Ms. Ramos made an offer late yesterday afternoon on her case, and I would like to have an opportunity to visit with Ms. Living about the offer, and see if she's willing to accept it. I feel uncomfortable just talking about it in the hall, so I need to get her in my office. I'll ask for one more reset.
Okay, how much time do you need?
30 days.
Okay.
Judge, our next available docket is May 19th.
Okay, you can reset it for May 19th.
That'll work.
Yeah. Get your reset. Well, you can get your reset. You'll be free to go in, and you have a blessed day. Who's next? Okay, we're on the record in cause number 320630-1, State of Texas versus Ariel Cantu. Mr. Cantu.
It's pronounced Abiel, Your Honor.
Abiel?
Yes, sir.
A-B?
Abiel, okay, Abiel Cantu. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Cantu is appearing via Zoom. How are you doing, Mr. Cantu?
Doing pretty good. Yourself, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Cantu, you're represented by attorney James Macon. He's appearing in court. Mr. Macon, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
And you have an announcement for
I
the,
do, Your Honor. We've gotten almost all the discovery. I just haven't got with Mr. Cantu. I anticipate a plea. I'd ask for 30 days.
okay, we're gonna reset him for 30 days. Mr. Cantu, your case is gonna be reset for 30 days. Your attorney will be given the reset. You can please stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Well, please stay in contact with your attorney. And this will conclude your case. You are free to go and have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
All right. Mr. Macon, he's in jail, Lester Lewis. He's in 252nd today.
Your Honor, I
And,
can tell you on that case, they have not finished giving me the discovery in that case, so regular resets, I think. would be
Well,
fine.
yeah, we'll do that. And you also have, now you want it reset with his felony case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll do the same. Now, you also have another gentleman in jail, Jacob
Costad, Your Honor.
Kovac.
The government has not supplied me with the DVDs, and he has pending felonies, so.
Okay, now, and his two cases are cause number 327440 and cause number 327444. Those cases, you would like those cases to be reset with his felonies as well?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll reset those with his felonies. And you have another case, cause number 327776. Case is styled the state of Texas versus, and cause number 327774. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Matthew Cord Marlin.
Yes, Your
I
Honor.
see here Mr. Marlin. Mr. Marlin, you can put your, take your mic off mute. Mr. Marlin is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Marlin, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Marlin, you're represented here by Mr. Macon. Mr. Macon, you have an announcement?
I do, Your Honor. We've gotten the discovery. I need to get with Mr. Marlin to finish talking about it. I anticipate a plea. If you just reset to when the other cases are, we'll take care of it then.
Okay, you're gonna reset, you want the cases reset on those same dates?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can get with the court coordinator and she'll be able to, once she finished with, okay, well, just
We'll be
wait
fine, Your
around.
Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have.
All right, thanks a lot. Now, Pep, who's first on Zoom?
I don't know who came on first.
Mel was on when I got on this morning, Your Honor.
Sandra? Okay,
Yes.
I was first, Judge, but I don't mind deferring to the elder statesman, Mr. Roebuck. If we're going to do, I don't want to have to do age before beauty if he wants to go first. But I'm either way.
okay.
There's not that much difference, Judge.
Well, there's a lot.
In what? In age or beauty?
Not
Well,
beauty, Judge.
I can see both of us, so I'm not going to comment on that. The age, the beauty part.
Okay. Okay, let's see, Mr. Sherlander,
Yes, sir.
well, okay, we're on the record in cause number 326-386, State of Texas versus Earl Wheaton. Mr. Wheaton is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Wheaton, how are you doing?
All right.
Okay. Mr. Wheaton, you're represented by Mr. Sherlander. Mr. Sherlander, how are you doing?
Hi, Judge.
Mr. Sherlander, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Wheaton's case?
Your Honor, I'd like to get a reset for one more announcement. We haven't had a chance to go over the videos with Mr. Wheaton. We just got them not long ago, and I had some technical difficulties here, so I haven't been able to show it to him. I'd like to have an opportunity to show him the videos before we make an announcement.
Okay. How much time do you need?
30 days would be plenty.
Okay, now, we're gonna send you your reset. And, Mr. Wheaton, stay in contact with your attorney. And
Yes, sir.
this will conclude your case. You have a blessed day. And I thank Mr. Sherlander. Is this your only case?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you are excused, both of you are excused, and Mr. Sherlander, you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
We got, okay, Mr. Roebuck's client is,
My turn, Judge.
yeah, but your client, I have this Antonio.
He's right here in my office, Judge.
Oh, he is. Oh, okay.
There he is, right there.
All right. Okay, we're on the record in cause number 326-540, State of Texas versus Antonio Buchan. Is that Zante?
Shante, Your Honor.
Shante?
It's like SH.
All right, Mr. Shante, how are you doing?
I'm good, sir.
That's good. Mr. Roebuck, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Roebuck, you have an announcement you'd like to make?
Yes, Your Honor. I've just retrieved the discovery. I don't have the video yet. It may be my issue not picking it up, but looking at everything, I think he may be eligible for diversion. If you could give me 30 days, I think I can hash out those details.
Let me ask you this here. Are you gonna file a letter with the
Yes.
DA's office?
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of that today.
Now, what we're gonna do, they usually have those signups every other month. So I think the next sign up is April, but it's probably too late for that. So I'm gonna reset your case to June, second week of June. Would that be fine?
That'll be good, Judge. Thank you very much.
Okay, and we will send you your reset. And you and your client are free to go, and y'all have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day. Bye.
All right, thank you. Oh. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, we're on the record in cause number 325-282, State of Texas versus Paola Simonovas. Mr. Simonovas is represented by attorney Willard Hall. Mr. Hall, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor. Ms. Monas is home with a newborn baby. If you'd like, I'll be happy to reach her by cell phone.
That'll be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Good morning, Ms. Simonis. You're on Zoom now with Judge Holmes. Would you mind telling Judge Holmes this morning?
Hi, good morning, Judge Holmes.
Okay, how you doing, Ms. Simonovas? Ms. Simonovas, your case
Very
is
good,
on the
thank you.
court's
How are you
announcement
doing?
document. Oh, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Willard Hall, again, how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty
How you
good, Your
doing, Mr.
Honor.
Hall? That's
I'm
good. You have
doing
an
fairly
announcement you'd
well.
like to
My
make?
office is still on lockdown. My paralegal is having her third relapse of the COVID-19. I think she's got that
Oh,
COVID
sorry to hear
syndrome. So we're doing
that.
this from
Wow.
home.
Okay, we're sorry to hear that. Hope she has a speedy recovery and everything is well with your office. Do you
Thank
have
you.
an announcement you'd like to make? Do
Yes,
you
Your
have an
Honor.
announcement you'd like to make?
We still
What's your
don't have a
announcement?
we don't have a plea bargain offer yet in Ms. Simona's case. I wrote the district attorney's office in writing a year ago. We still don't have one. I think we have everything else. She may be a candidate for pretrial diversion. If I could ask the prosecutor to please review the file and see, send us a plea bargain offer, I'll be happy to discuss it with Ms. Simona.
I'll make sure to get that to you today, Mr. Hall. I know there were quite a few of yours that I had to send you offers on today.
Okay, thank you very kindly.
Okay, we're gonna now, you mentioned, did you mention anything about pretrial diversion?
She may or may not be eligible. I'm not sure. Let me look at her. I need to look at her file and review her history
Okay,
before I
what
make
I'm,
that representation. But if she'll just send me, if she'll send me a plea bargain offer, I'll discuss it with her and then we'll take it to the next
Okay.
level.
okay, how much time
So
do
if
you
I could
need?
get at least 30 days,
Okay,
at least 30 days, Your Honor.
okay, it's gonna be reset to May 19th. Your reset will be sent to you. And Miss Simonovas, this will conclude your case. You are excused and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you so much. Bye.
I'll call you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Mr. Hall, let's see. Is this your only case, Mr. Hall?
No, Your Honor, we also have Huey Fontenot.
Okay, you gonna get him on the phone too?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
It's on the announcement back to page 1, number 4.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Fontenot, it's Willard Hall. You're on Zoom hearing now with Judge Holmes. Why don't you say good morning to Judge Holmes?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Fontenot. How are you doing?
Pretty swell. Thanks for asking. How about yourself?
Well, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking as well. Mr. Hall, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Fontenot's case?
Yes, Your Honor. We hope to have this case wrapped up in 30 days. If we could have one more reset, I think there is a plea bargain offer. I've discussed this case with one of the prosecutors, and I have a plea bargain offer I need to discuss with Mr. Fontenot.
Okay, so we'll reset this case to May 19th of 2021. We will send you your reset. And Mr. Fontenot, this will conclude your case. You are excused and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Hall, if this is your only, if this is your last case, you're excused as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, stay with me for a minute.
Okay, we're gonna do Roundtree. We on the record in cause number 325-322 and cause number 325-324. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus William Roundtree. Good morning, Mr. Roundtree.
Good morning, sir.
That's good. Mr. Roundtree, your case is on the court's announcement docket and you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Thomas Mill. Mr. Mill, how are you doing?
Good morning. Good, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Mayo, I see that Mr. Roundtree has a felony case.
Yes, sir.
As
And it's
well?
set, he's getting, I think, don't know, I think it's on the announcement docket for August 6th,
16th, yes.
16th, sorry. And it's tied in with these alleged events too.
Okay.
Charges.
So we check to see if he has, now, Mr. Roundtree, were you given bond conditions? Were you given some bond conditions? Probably, Mr. Roundtree doesn't remember. Okay, I'm going to give you some bond conditions. He was?
Only thing I had to do is call in every Monday for my bond.
Oh, okay. Well, we have some conditions in your bond that we give here in County Court at Law number 2. These are what we call our standard bond conditions. And let me, you just get that to him and I'll go over it with him. And then when after I finish going over with you, we'll give you a signed copy of those bond conditions, Mr. Roundtree. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Roundtree, what you have before you is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2. Do you see that? And I'll go over these bond conditions with you. And it reads, following the arrest and or accusation of County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for the release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when they're directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, subsection A2 and subsection C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense. And the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. And the alleged victim in clause number 325324 is Barbara Jackson. And the alleged victim in clause number 325322 is Gloria Zachary. Do you understand that? And condition number 4 doesn't apply to you because that only applies in DWI cases. So, Mr. Zachary, your case is going to be reset along with your felony cases. Before you leave, you'll be given copies of these bond conditions. And so, Mr. Mayo, you can stand over there, get the reset, and Mr. Zachary, you can reach that back to me. We're gonna, the paperwork. I'm gonna, just give it back to me. We're gonna sign it, and then we'll give you a copy before you leave. All right, you can have a seat.
One more thing, Your Honor. Can I get a paper sent that I showed up before?
Yeah, just talk to the